morning and Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to Maths online classes. Children, today we are going to do enrichment activities given on page number 68 in your book. So children, take out your book, take pencil in your hand and let's start in doing enrichment activities. First thing you will do is write today's date. Write down today's date everyone. Written. Now we start enrichment activities. Okay. So write down the first question. First we are doing enrichment activities of our lesson 1. Place value. Your lesson 1 was place value. So we are doing enrichment activities of place value. Okay. Your first question, question A, is pick the correct option. Pick the correct option. Okay. Your first question is the smallest 6-digit number is the smallest 6-digit number is. Which one is the smallest 6-digit number? 1 lakh. Your first option is given 1,11,111. B. Your second option is 10 lakh 1. 10 lakh 1. 10 lakh 1. 10,000 1 lakh 1. Sorry, your second option is 1 lakh 1. Your third option is 1 lakh 1 lakh, and your fourth option is 10 lakh. So these are the options given to you. Now children, you have to write the smallest 6-digit number. In the last number, you can see there are 7 numbers. 7 digits are there. It's a 7-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have to see the smallest 6-digit number. Which is the smallest 6-digit number? See, smallest 2-digit number is 10. Smallest 3-digit number is 100. Smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. And smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. So put a tick mark on 1 lakh everyone. So your answer of first question, which one is the correct option? C is the correct option. Done. Now we move on to our second question. Let's see your second question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is in 30,526. In 30,526, the digit in thousands place is. The digit in thousands place is. The digit in thousands place is option A 3, B 0, C 5 or D none of these. Now children, on which option we will put a tick? It is said in 30,526 the digit in thousands place is. which number is in thousands place? Let's see. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. So which number is in thousands place? 0. So put a tick mark on 0. So your question number 2, which option is the correct option? B is the correct option. So put a tick mark on B, everyone. Done. Now come to your next question. See the next question now. Question number C. See the next question. Your question number C is 4,752 rounded off to the nearest hundred is. To the nearest hundred is 4,000. First option is 4,000. B. Second option is 4,750. C. Third option is 4,700. Fourth option is 4,800. Now see children, what you will see, 4,752 is the number, 752. Now 752 will lie between which 100 numbers? 752 किन 100 numbers के बीच में आता है? 700 और 800, isn't it? It comes between 700 and 800. Between 700 and 800, 752 comes. Now, when the number is above 50, when the number is above 5, okay, then it is round off to the last number. And if it is less than 5, it will round off to first number. Here the number is more than, here the number is 552. If it is less than 50, it will round off to the first number. If it is more than 50, it will round off to the next number. So it is more than 50, it's 52, so it will round off to the 800. So which one is the correct option? 4,800 is the correct option. So 4,752 is in nearest 100. It is closer to it. Okay. So put a tick mark on question. In question number C, we'll put tick mark on option D. D is the correct option. Put a tick mark, children. You all have done up to here. Now we move on to our question number D. Let's see question number D now. See question number D, everyone. Your question number D. The smallest 5-digit number. The smallest 5-digit number. 5-digit number that can be formed using the smallest 5-digit number that can be formed using the digits 0, 1 and 2 is. So here we have to see the smallest 5-digit number that is formed by using digit 0, 1 and 2. Now let's see the numbers. It's given 0. First option is given 0, 1, 1, 2, 2. B option is 10,000, 12. Third option is 10,002, 10,002, and your last option is 10,112. Now we have to see 5-digit number. Okay, we have to see 5-digit number. The smallest 5-digit number which is formed using these numbers 0, 1 and 2. Smallest number is not formed with 0, so this one is completely wrong. Now you have to see 12, 112 or 2. Which is the smallest number? 12, 112 or 2. Now read the numbers first. Then it will be easier for you to choose. Okay? 10,012, 10,002, 10,112. It is 112, it is 12 and it is 2. So which is the smallest number? C. C option is the right option of question number 4. Question number 4, C option is the correct option of question 4. Written everyone? Put tick mark on C option. Now come to the next question. Your next question is writing words. Writing words. Write down children. Question number B. Writing words. Writing words. First question given to you is 530819. Children, when we have to write in words, what we do? What we do? What we do? We put comma. We put comma. And where we will put comma? After ones, tens, hundred. Put comma. 1,000, 10,000. Put comma and then lakhs. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Okay. Now how we will read this number? 5 is in lakhs place. So you will read 5 lakh. How many thousand? 30,819. Okay. So it's easy now. Write down 5 lakh 30,000 800 890. Okay, 5 lakh 30,890. Note down the first question. Note down everyone. Note down 5 lakh 30,819. How to read this number? 5 at the lakhs place. So 5 lakh 30,000 place. 30,800 place. So 819. Now note down it children. I am giving you 2 minutes. Note down. Write down in good handwriting everyone. Note down in good handwriting. Written everyone. Now let's see the second question. Note down. If you have not written, just copy it down. Now let's see the second question. In second question, number given to you is 75,150. Let's see how to write it. Let's see. Question number B, second question. Okay, number given to you is 7, 5, 1, 5, 8. Now see children, how to write this question. First we will put the comma. Where we will put the comma? After ones, tens, hundred we will put a comma. Okay. So now read the number. 8 is at, now write the places all of you. 8 is in ones place, 5 tens place, 1 hundreds place, 5 thousands place, and then ka 10,000s place. Now how many thousand is there? 75,000. Now read this number. This you all have already read this number. You all know how to read this number. It's 158. So it's very easy. 75,158. Okay. So how to read? 75,158. Write down everyone. 75,158. Now note down this question in your notebook everyone. Copy down this question children. After this, we will do question number C. Write the numerals. In words, it is given, we have to write the words in numbers. We have to write in numbers. 75 is in thousands place. So, 75,158. Write down 75,158. Written everyone? Okay, now see the question C. Now we'll come to question number C. Question C. See question number C. In question C it is given, write the numeral. Write the numeral. Question number C. Write the numeral. 6 lakh. First question is given. 6 lakh 60,000. 6. 60,000. 6. Now, children, first see 6 is in lakhs place. Which number is in lakhs place? 6. So, we will write 6. Okay. After 6, it is written how many thousand? 60,000. How many thousand? 60,000. So, we will write 60 and put a comma. 6. None of the number is in hundreds place. Tens place, so we will put 0, and in ones place 6 is there, so we will write 6. So write down 6 everyone. Now read this number. 6 lakh 60,000 6. Come to question number 2. Question number 2 is given 50,000 plus 70 plus 9. Now, how will write it in the short form or standard form? How we will write it? First, we will write 9 because it is in ones place. Then we will write 7. Now, which number is in thousands place? 0. And again it is in 0 and 5. So, how much is the number? It's 50,079. Written all of you 6,60,006. First answer is 6,60,006 and second answer is 50,079. There are two options. You can also add 50,000 plus 70 and plus 9. Then also you will get the same answer. 50,079. So done, children. Now we come to question number D. Write the expanded form. Write the expanded form. Write the expanded form. So now we have to write the expanded form. Number given to you is 47,007. Read the number first. What is written? 47,007. Now we have to enlarge it. We have to expand it. How to write? 4. First write the places. 7 at ones place. 0 at tens place. This 0 at hundreds place. This 7 is thousands place and 4 is in 10,000s place. So now read this. 47,007. 4 is in 10,000s place. So what is the place value of 4? 40,000. Plus 7 is in thousands place. So what is the place value of 7? 7,000. Plus 0 is in hundreds place. So write 0. Plus 0 is in tens place. So write 0. And plus 7 is in ones place. So write down 7. 40,000 plus 7,000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 7. Come to the next question. Next question given to you is 30,102. Now, first we will write the places ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Now, we have to write it in expanded form. Okay. So, how to write in expanded form? 3 is in 10,000 place. So, we will write what is the place value of 3? 30,000. 0 is in thousands place. So, we will write 0. 1 is in hundreds place. So, what is the place value of 1? 100. 0 is again in tens place. So, write 0. 2 is in ones place. So, write 2. Place value of 2 is 2. Now, write down 30,000 plus 0 plus 100 plus 0 plus 2. Note down everyone in your book. After this, we will see question number E. Write the place value of colored digits. Note down it in your book, children. There are two methods. You can write 0 and you can avoid 0 also. If you don't want to write place value of 0, you don't have to write the 0 then. Okay. So you will write 40,000 plus 7,000 plus 7. Here you will write 30,000 plus 100 plus 2. So if you want, you can write the places of 0. If you don't want, you don't have to write the place value of 0 because 0 has no value. So you can avoid it. Done up to here. So now let's start our question E. Question E. Question number E is write the place value of color digit. Write the place value of colored digit. Number is given to you 52617. In this number, 5 is the colored number. Okay, 5 is the colored number. What is the place value of 5? See, 7 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place, 6 is in hundreds place, 2 is in thousands place, and 5 is in 10,000s place. So what will be the place value of this 5? 5 is in 10,000 place. So its place value is 50,000. So you will write 50,000s. Okay. So the place value of 5 is 50,000. Now second number is 3,724 and 3 is the colored number. Write the places first. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 3 is in thousands place. So what is the place value of 3? 3,000s. 3,000. Okay, write down 3,000. Come to the third question. Third question is given 90,168. Now read this number. It's 90,168. Now write the places ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Which is the colored number? 0. So what is the place value of this 0? Place value of 0 is, if 0 is multiplied to any number, 0 is in thousands place, so multiply 0 with 1000, you will get 0. So place value of 0 is 0. Done up to here? Now come to question number 4 of question E. Question 4, see question number 4 of E. Question number 4, 43,201. And in this number, which number is the colored number? 4. First write the places ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Now which is the circled number? 4 is the circled number. 4 is in the place of 10,000. So what is the place value of 4? Multiply 4 with 10,000, you will get the place value of 4. How much will come? 40,000. 4 at the 10,000 place, so the place value of 4 is 40,000. Okay, 4 is in 10,000 place, so its place value is 40,000. Done up to here. Note down the answers, all of you. Note down the answers, everyone. Now children, come to question F. Question F. Today we will complete place value. Tomorrow I will start addition and subtraction enrichment. Okay. Question F is write the following numbers in descending order. Okay. So we have to arrange the number in descending order. Write the following numbers in descending order. In descending order. Children, you all know what is descending order? When we write from bigger number to smaller number, or when we come from up to down. When we write bigger number, then we write smaller number, smaller number, smaller number, then that is descending order. When we arrange the numbers from big to small, it's called descending order. So we have to write the numbers in descending order. First number given to you is 32,526. Next number is 35,726. Next number is 37,526. and the next number is 36,527. Now, which is the bigger number? See all of you, it's 32. It's 32. This is 35. This is 37 and this is 36. Which is the bigger of all? 32, 35, 37, 36. It's very easy to make out. Yes, 37 is the bigger number. So we'll pick this number first. 37,526. Now, which number is smaller than 37? 36 or 35? 36. So write down 36,527. Then, which number is smaller than 36? 35 or 32? 35. So write down 35,726. And the last number, which is the smallest of all, is 32,526. So write down descending order in your book, everyone. After this, we'll come to our next question and last question. Write in ascending order. Note down. Written, everyone? Written, children? Now, come to the last question. Write the following numbers in ascending order. Question number G. Write the following numbers in ascending order. Write the following number in ascending order. In ascending order. Okay. Numbers given to you are 52,678. Your next number is 23,467. Then the next number is 52,677 and the last number is 32,456. Now we have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order is when the numbers are arranged from smaller number to bigger number. From smaller number, bigger number, more bigger. So when the numbers are arranged from smaller number to bigger number, it is called ascending order. Now we'll have a look at these numbers. Read the numbers first. First number is 52,678, 23,467, 52,677 and 32,456. So which is the smaller number? Now it's easy for you to make out which is the smaller number. 52, 23, 52, 32. 23 is the smaller number. So write down 23,467. After this, which is the smaller number? Which is bigger number than 23 but smaller of all? Yes, 32. 32,456. Now 52 and 52 are same. So we have to see the back numbers. 678, 677. 677. Correct? 52,677 and then the last number will be 52,678. Note down ascending order. So children, this completes your enrichment exercises of place value. Okay. So here our place value exercises of enrichment is completed. Okay. Now from tomorrow we will start enrichment activities of addition and subtraction followed by multiplication. Okay. So for today, that's all for today. I hope you all enjoyed today's class and completed your enrichment activities in book. Children, if any portion of it is left, you need not to have to worry. I will send a PDF in which enrichment activities are there. You can fill your bookwork, your exercises will be completed. Okay. So, that's all for today. All of you take care and goodbye, children.